Boy, does this place scream potential. And the sound, you can hear it. It's so well insulated. Animals have had access to this for a while now, so it's going to need a good power wash. You can see what's involved here. Has to get deep in the cracks of the rocks. It's got to be worked in. We're gonna have to have a big fire this fall with all the perishables. I have measured the door and the mill does fit through it. This corner is pretty rough, so the mill will have to be in front of that. The mill is used the way it is now. It would be here with the motor and the hopper out here. Or if I do it like this, motor, and the hopper's here. The guy who's doing this is asking me what to do out here, and I think I'll go ahead and continue it with the plaster. I mean, if I don't know it now, I'm never gonna do it. And I'm sure that outdoor area will be very useful. That whole area will be storage. This small area will be a stainless table and a vacuum packing machine. And then where I'm standing right now will be the location of the mill. Wow. This wasn't my idea. The actual owner of the building insisted that we open up the window a little bit more. And there's no question the light is so much better. It also makes the room look smaller. But yeah, it turned out really well. I put in a new cap. I see. Gosh, this looks amazing. We're also going to seal up the floor. So, from my estimates, about at least 200 crates fit in here easily. What I do is I stack crates. 5 high is 100 kilos. So that means 10 of those is a ton. 50 of those is 5 tons. And that's basically what I need to get in here. The mill is going to be there. So the storage part of this room is going to be from here, basically. It's mid-September and it's getting chilly. I forgot to pack long sleeve t-shirts. So I'm only going to be here for a few days. It's not a big deal, but I gotta remember how much cooler it gets up here than down at the port where I've been living for the last 20 years. It's a lot cooler up here. So I'm expecting the workers to come today to continue plastering. I haven't actually seen them in action because I was across doing my tiling when they got a break in their schedule and came to work unexpectedly here. Here we are in the new window there that they've created. It was about 60% of the size it is now. The situation's a bit overwhelming at the moment. There's a lot going on and big cleanup that needs to happen. And then the most major problem that I need to resolve is how we're going to get crates and crates and crates of acorns from this level to this level a couple different times during the acorn processing. that I don't know. Unless there's enough room here for a steep ramp. So a ramp. Yeah, that would work. Is it crazy to think that we could walk that? Yeah. It's way too steep. You can't tell from where you are, but it's way too steep. Maybe a hydraulic lift is the way to go. Do you know where you're going? Come. Coming? Dicky. I can't believe how much they got done today already. And it's only just a midday break. I think the walls are finished. Wow. The ceiling's finished. It's gonna wire up. And most importantly, the floor was completely washed off. And they've started to seal that up. It's not recognizable. I knew it wouldn't take more than 3 minutes for you to catch up. Well, that's just extraordinary. It sure cleans up nicely. These guys do nice work too, without dish. Looks like today they'll finish the floor. And then the next time they come, they'll do the outside. Because I only just decided to do that today. By getting this all sealed up, it'll really increase the amount of space I can work in as well. It's more than high enough to stand up in. And with a screen door here, I think it would be a great space to work doing some kind of sorting or anything. There's always, space is always needed. Seriously. Why are you meowing? Dickie, what are you doing back there? Hey, hey, hey. There you go. Gonna keep this out here through the harvest for throwing the nets and the sticks and the bags in from day to day when we come in. And then when we go back out in the morning, it'll be right here. It's gonna be super easy. I mean, in the wintertime, this can come in, but during harvest, it's perfect here. If you saw last week's video when I started this tile job, you'll notice I have a new throwaway tile outfit. These will go in the garbage. I'm so sorry to part with this. I love this, but the time has come. It's very helpful to have all this really old, crappy clothing that I can just throw away after the job. So today I am getting this all cleaned up and I'm going to start grouting. Yay. This is the big surprise one, what this is going to look like. But of course, before I start grouting, I have a lot of detail work to do. I have, aside from the ones that need cutting professionally with a laser cutter, I have loads of them to put around fixtures that I can do myself. So yeah, it's going to be a long day. I need to get to this wall now so that I'm completely done with it by 2:30. I'm going to put some music on, put you on time lapse, and get to it. I wanted to show you the mirror that I put up last night. This is temporary because I have 2 more screws in there to tighten, but I don't have the right fitting for my drill. I like it. It's weird, but I love being able to see all the way back behind me while I'm facing this wall. I love it, actually, but it's going to take some getting used to. I'm having a coffee now. I'm having a break. I've done 3 out of the 5 bags of grout that I have to do today. I'm pretty tired. I just oiled my face because it's just getting so dry in there. And all right, I'll see you on the other side. I'm just having a coffee break. Hey Siri, what time is it? By the time you watch this video, this bathroom will be finished. But unfortunately, it isn't finished now before I have to get this video edited and out. But that means the next one, I'm going to start with a big reveal. I've got all the fixtures, even hooks and rails and everything to install in this bathroom. So it's going to look pretty darn good. Thanks so much for being here, and don't forget to do all the things. Have a good one, and see you next time.